Failure to successfully complete a hill climb can be one of the most terrifying experiences an adventure rider can encounter. We're going to demonstrate how to properly negotiate a hill fail recovery. And the first thing that you'll see is when I decide I can't complete the hill climb, I'm going to commit to the recovery. I'm going to stall the motorcycle in gear, clutch out. The clutch will become my brake. Here's how it looks. Initiate my climb, and when I realize there's a fence in my way, I'm going to stop, clutch out. This is the most important part of the entire recovery. Stall the motorcycle in gear, clutch out. The clutch becomes our brake. The back wheel, being our downhill wheel, is our downhill brake, and that's where all the weight is. That's what's going to stop the motorcycle. Now, once I enter a recovery situation, as in any recovery situation, I want to call AAA. What's AAA? They don't go the places I like to ride. For me, AAA is to first assess my situation. Where am I? What will be my path of travel? What's my plan for reversing my motorcycle and going back down again? Once I've made that decision, I'm going to bring my back wheel to my right, so I turn my front wheel to my right, so the motorcycle, when it goes backwards, will move that direction. So I've assessed my situation, I've decided which direction I want to go, and now I'm going to put that plan into effect. So I've accepted it, assess, accept. It's only me, nobody's coming to help me. Now I'm going to act. So here I go. My clutch has now become my brake. So I very gently want to squeeze that clutch until I find the friction zone. This is not a jerk, clutch in, clutch out. I gently want to release that clutch until it is just letting that motorcycle move backwards. I keep my wheel turned and I keep my weight predisposed to the uphill side. If the motorcycle falls to the uphill side, it's not a problem. If it falls to the downhill side, as you can see, I can't even reach the ground with this foot. So I gently ease the motorcycle back, nice and smooth, no jerkiness with that clutch, to the point where it's about as far back as it'll go. Now it's not going anymore. Now I still need to get my front wheel downhill more. So I'm going to bring my right knee into the motorcycle and I'm going to start moving this front wheel left and right, scissoring it back and forth, which is going to cause that front wheel to slide down the hill. Takes a minute to do this, a little bit of energy, but I want to get it down until I like my path of travel, so I can see that my exit's going to be a safe exit. Once it's down far enough, I'm going to start the motorcycle and double check that I'm in first gear. So I'll start it, I'm tapping my shifter, I can see that the number 1 is on my instrument panel, and I'm also going to take up slack with my clutch a little to make sure it doesn't pop out at first when I leave. My left foot's on the peg, my right's on the ground. I'm going to stand up, push off, and ride away. And that's all there is to it.